Clearing local Xbox 360 storage on the Xbox Series X console deletes all the temporary files like old games and system update files that are not important and frees up storage. And it also can fix software glitches or errors affecting your Xbox console's performance. So let's see how to do it. To clear Xbox 360 storage, first you'll need to open Settings. Then go down to System, go to the right, and then Storage Devices. Now go left, and at the bottom you'll see Clear Local Xbox 360 Storage. So press A to select. Then you'll get a warning telling you that this will delete all the 360 saved games and profiles. But don't worry, because all these saved games should be uploaded to the cloud automatically, and you don't need any subscriptions for that. So just hit yes, after which your console will restart. And when it turns back on, your Xbox will have all the cached data and unnecessary files cleared, and if you were facing any software glitches, then you should also be able to resolve those. So that's how you clear Xbox 360 storage on the Xbox Series X console. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.